Hey guys, let me tell you why this bike has no engine. This is the second engine I blow up in this bike. It's 2022 XC300 TPI that I bought brand new. Yeah, I had like 70 some hours on it. This is what the piston looked like before I changed it. And I was about to snow bike it again for the second season. So I did a preventative rebuild. Yes, I did it myself. And no, I'm not a mechanic. My engine lasted 3 kilometers. And this is what it ended up looking like. Spark plug was like a nice brown. The pins that go in here were fine. The clearance for top dead center was good. The power valve did not contact the piston. So my theory, maybe I'm just an idiot. Today's the day after I filmed the video showing you guys the engine. I dropped it off at the mechanic. He was looking at the piston and he pointed out that the piston is like scratched in the 4 corners and he thinks it was put in too tight. I feel like I did measure the ring gap for the piston. I put a size B. Here there's size A and size B. Service manual says that after 25 hours of use on the cylinder, you can put a size B instead of a size A. And I had 70 hours on that engine. I automatically assumed I'd be safe with a B, but evidently that doesn't seem to be the case. It seized up right away within a few kilometers of rebuild. Anyways, yeah, I dropped it off. He's gonna give me a call back when it's ready, but I'm pretty excited to get it back. All right, guys, I think that's it. I just wanted to give you guys an explanation as to why this bike is in pieces again.